Good morning, students. In my last video, I have explained what is an electric dipole. So, what is an electric dipole? Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance. Here, see, two equal and opposite charges, that is plus q and minus q, they are separated by a distance 2a. So, next we are going to find out the field of an electric dipole at various points. First one, we are going to find out the field of an electric dipole for points on its axis. Let us consider an electric dipole, that is plus q and minus q separated by a distance 2a, and we are here considering a point P. See, this is at a distance r from the center of the dipole. So here the dipole's distance is 2a and half distance is a and a. So this point P from this positive charge is the distance of this point P from this positive charge from plus q is this distance. So it is r minus this part a, and similarly the distance of P from minus q is the distance r plus the extra distance a, r plus a. So let us find out the electric field due to plus q and minus q now. So electric field due to plus q, E plus q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by, here this distance, see, we have already told it is r minus a whole square, and the electric field due to minus q is, electric field E minus q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square, isn't it? So here minus q divided by r square, that is the distance of this point P from minus q, that we have already told you that it is r plus a, that is this r plus extra distance. So it is minus q divided by r plus a whole square, and these are unit vectors if we consider unit vector. If we consider the direction. So total distance, so total electric field E is equal to, we can write E plus q plus E minus q, that is here q by 4 pi epsilon 0 is common in these two terms. So we will take q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 outside, and in this first equation 1 by r minus a whole square is there, and in the second term minus, and remaining is 1 by r plus a whole square. So it is q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. This term we have to expand, that is this is like, see, LCM we will take, so it is r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square, these two term into cross multiplication. So here that this term will come, that is r plus a whole square minus this term r minus a whole square. So after this we will get like this, q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0, this is like a plus b whole square form, that is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is r square plus 2ra plus a square, minus, and this a minus b whole square form, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, like that. This minus is outside, then this one is r square minus 2ra plus b square means plus, here term is a square. So we can cancel r and r here because minus of r it is, so it will get cancelled. Second term 2ra is here, and minus of minus 2ra, that is plus 2ra, so this will add up. Second term, last term is plus a square here, and this minus a square here, so a square also will get cancelled. So only one term that will remain here is 2ra plus 2ra, that is 4ra, that is this equation will become q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 4ra divided by r square, and this term, see, this term will become the lower term, that is here r minus a, see from here we will explain r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square, that is a plus b into a minus b form, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this lower term will become r plus a into r minus a into whole square, that is for these two terms square term is there, so we'll take square outside, so it is r minus a into r plus a, so it will become r square minus a square whole square. So here the last equation we got is q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is 4ra divided by r square minus a square whole square. So this term we can simplify in this condition, that is if r is much greater than a, then the second term will cancel. So this first term r square, one more square is there, so it will be r raised to 4. So the equation will change as 4 is there, q is there, a is there, r is there, divided by 4 pi epsilon 0, here r raised to 4, because second term that will get cancelled in this condition. So it will get simplified like this. 4 I have written like that, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into qa is there of course, and here in the upper term 1 r is there, in the lower term r raised to 4 is there, so it will get cancelled and it will be like this r cube. So now the equation will become 2 into 2 qa divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube, that is we already know that 2 qa, what is that, charge into distance, 2a is the distance of the dipole, so it is the dipole moment. So instead of 2 qa we can write p, that is p we already know that, okay, we already know that p is charge into distance, that's why instead of this one we have taken this p. So that equation will become 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. So this is the final equation for electric field at a point on the axis.